Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am unboxing Hisense French door 609 liter fridge. HRCD609S is the model from JB Hi-Fi. Let's see what's inside the box and how does the fridge look like. So let's see how the fridge looks from inside. So let me remove the packings and all that, so then it will be good to use. So I have to just take care to turn it on after 30 minutes, because without that the gas inside the fridge is not settled and it may be harmful for the fridge. I have removed all the packing now, so now you can see the beauty of this French door refrigerator.
Through this panel on the fridge, you can control the different zones of the fridge and change their temperature according to your specific needs, such as the casual fridge, the My Fresh choice, and the freezer. You get your 3 compartments, your 2 standard compartments for your fruit and vegetables, and an additional one in the middle for your snacks. The compartments on either side of the fridge doors have ample space and can fit 3 3-liter milk bottles.
So the ice tray they have provided is not that cool, so it is not a twist ice bucket, and it's a simple ordinary ice one, but because I don't use too much ice regularly, so I'm okay with that. So my fridge is now ready to function. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you like this video. I would like to say, when I was selecting the fridge which one I should go, there is a water dispenser one with the ice and crushed ice also. So but those fridge requires a lot of maintenance and they needs to keep on changing the water filter also. So I don't want that much hassle and I have to spend every 6 months. So I prefer this fridge, and hopefully you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.